Hello everyone, welcome to our quick mobile comparison session. Today we are comparing Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus and Moto Edge 2026. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Both phones come with an IP68 rating. Display features. Motorola Edge 70 Pro Plus comes with 6.78 inches AMOLED display, and the Moto Edge comes with 6.3 inches AMOLED display. Next, compare the hardware features. Both mobiles are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Camera features. They offer 3 rear cameras. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connected HD speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 and fingerprint. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos. Please like, share and comment on our videos.